I wrecked my old knees when I was in high school, 17, 18 years old. I was roping and cowboying and really tore them up. Treatment back then was very limited. Surgery was a hard thing. Some of the guys told me at that point not to do it. So I just kind of limped through and wrapped my knees up with ace bandages and kept on riding horses and roping. I've been receiving the gel injections here at the Arthritis Relief Centers, and I've been coming up every 6 months from Yoakum, Texas, down southeast of San Antonio. You know, nobody's crazy about the drive, but for the benefits that I've received, I will gladly do it. I'm able to move around freer with very little pain. I'm back to doing a little light riding, which I enjoy. I can walk much better than I could before. I'm doing a little light 2-day-a-week exercise program with instruction, and it's going real good. You know, before, when my knees were really bothering me, you know, some days I'd have to take some pain relief medicine 2 or 3 times a day. Now it's just a very occasional, maybe the end of a long day, at the end of the week, too much weekend, I may take a little Tylenol, but that's the heaviest thing I have taken. I am 73 years old. As long as I keep receiving the relief that I'm feeling now, like I say, I'm able to function pretty good. Now, I would not do the joint replacement until it became just 100% necessary.